containers.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, may isang congressman, pulukuhin. So,
Congressman, just quickly.
Okay, pero ito yung pinakamahalaga. Mas mahalaga yung sinabi ni Secretary Laurel after that.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, may isang congressman na
Let's go straight to the point, sir. Sinabi niya si Congressman
Saldico pressured him to ask for 3,000 containers. Alam niyo ba, yung importation quantity noong 2024 is 33,000 metric tons.
Okay.
33,000 metric tons is 1,100 something containers for the whole industry. So lahat ng nag-i-import, 1,100 tons ang paghahati-hatian. Si Congressman Saldico, gusto niya na bigyan siya ng import permit for 3,000. Ibig sabihin, 3,000 containers. Ibig sabihin, para sa sarili niya, 3,000 containers, 3 times the volume needed by the whole industry. Ano ba yun? Swapang, gahaman. Ano pa bang tawag mo dun? Tapos hindi niya negosyo, gusto niyang pasukin.